Hi lovelies, welcome back, and today I have a review for you from Todacusa.com, and today I'm reviewing their Cuticle Clean drill bit. I'm just going to put it in there, and it is really tiny. Like, that's the drill bit right there. And I'm now about to start my new set, so perfect time for me to use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to gently push back my cuticles. So after pushing back my cuticles, I'm going to go around the cuticle area with the drill bit. And I'm not putting any pressure on the drill, I'm letting the bit do all the work. I'm doing it on the side so you can see the angle that I have my drill at. And this bit is so gentle on the cuticle area. I haven't had any burning. I'm not putting any pressure on the bit. I'm just letting the bit do its work. I'm just guiding it around my cuticle area. And as you can see, I had a lot of dead cuticles. So if that had remained on my nail, I would have had a lot of lifting with my new set. So this drill bit cleaner was also sent to me by Todacusa for review. And now that I'm finished with my drill bit, this side is like wire, like metal. And the other side is like plastic fibers. It's like a manicure brush. And what I'm going to do with it now as I'm finished is I'm just going to go all the way around my drill bit with the wire side of my brush, my drill bit cleaner. And then I'm going to take the plastic bristles. I'm just going to lightly dust it. What I believe that the wire side would do is keep the sharpness in your drill bit, so it helps it to last a whole lot longer. And now that I'm finished with that, I'm just going to spray my drill bit with alcohol, and then I'm going to place it back into my case. And it's ready to be used again. And what I'm going to do in my brush cleaner is I'm going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to spray it with alcohol just to sanitize it. I'm going to place it back into the case. Put it back into my case, and I'm ready to use it on another drill bit as well. So I will have the link to these two items in the description box. The Cuticle Clean, that's all it says on there, is the Cuticle Clean and drill bit, and the drill bit brush cleaner. So thanks guys as always for watching. Keep safe, and I will see you soon.